Did you get yogurt on your arm? How'd it happen? Oh, you're gonna lick your plate now? Mama thought it was a good idea to put a bib on, but apparently, oh no, child! No! Not in your hair, oh no! The bib is gonna do nothing. I should have put a tarp on you. Look at you. There's your pancake. It's good. Oh, make sure there's lots of yogurt on it. My pancake. Oh, look at all the yogurt on the back of the bowl. How'd it get there? Huh? Bowl. Is it a drum? Go, 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 go. Oh, gotta make sure there's more on your arm. Yep. It's a good lotion. Yep.